Hello everyone. Today let's solve the Leetcode problem number 268, missing number. So what the question says, given an array nums containing n distinct numbers. So every number is, each number is distinct, right? So every array of distinct numbers. So it is in the range 0 to n. They have clearly mentioned it will be in the range of 0 to n. We have to return the only number in the range that is missing from the array. So here in the array itself, we can see 0, 1, 3 they have given. It is of the range, the highest number is 3. From the range 0 to 3. So the missing number 0, 1 is there, 2 is not present, so 2 will be the output. They have explained here, n equals 3. Since there are 3 numbers, so all the numbers are in the range 0, 3 is 2. I mean 0, 3. 2 is the missing number in the range since it does not appear in the nums. So that's what I said right here. This is fine. Next, what we will do, we will try to write the code and try to implement the same thing by taking the example 1. You can check for the example 2 as well. So initially what we'll do, we'll create the set from the nums array to store the unique numbers, right? So I'll just give let set equals new set of nums. So this is one thing. Next, what we will do, we will loop through the numbers from 0 to length of the array. Nothing but for let I equals 0, I less than or equal to I, yes, this is one thing. Next, we will check if the current number I is not in the set. F map of set dot has of I. Then if I is not found in the set, right, we will be returning it as the missing number, as I have said. So sorry here, why did I give this is fine. We will just return I, right? So I'll just format the code. Let me hit the submit. So this works absolutely fine. So I'll just come here. Let's consider example 1. Try to implement the same accordingly with. So let's consider this example. So in the step 1, what we are doing, we are creating a set which will be basically 3, 0 and 1, right? So then what we will do in the next step, we will loop from 0 to 3. Nothing but they have clearly mentioned here the number will be of the range 0, n. So the maximum value that we got is 3 and the minimum value that we got is 0 here. We will loop from 0 to 3, right? In the second step. So in the first step, when I equals 0, the first iteration, when I equals 0, then we will check whether 0 is present or not. So 0 is present in the this one. 0 is present, right? So it will be true and we will continue. Next iteration will be I equals 1. So what we will do, we will 1 is present, so we will continue. We will check for 1. 1 is also present here, so we will continue. Next, we will go for I equals 2. Nothing but the third iteration, right? This is the third iteration. In the third iteration, what we'll do, we'll check for 2. 2 is not present in the this thing. 2 is not present here. So we will return 2 as the missing number. Nothing but we are returning here the missing number, right? So here the 2 we will return 2. So nothing but the output, the solution that we got here is 2 and the output they have mentioned here is 2 as well. So the code works absolutely correct. Let me delete this. So what will be the time complexity and the space complexity? So let me come here. The time complexity, the overall time complexity would be big O of n. So why the time complexity would be big O of n? Because we create a set of n elements and we are looping through n plus 1 elements. So both operations are linear in time. So the overall complexity would be big O of, time complexity would be big O of n. So what would be the overall space complexity? The overall space complexity would be big O of n as well. Why? The set requires the set requires space proportional to the number of elements in nums, which is nothing but n. So overall space complexity would be big O of n as well. So I'll just comment this one. Let me comment this one. So yeah, let me comment this one. Let me hit the submit. So this works absolutely correct, right? So this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.